Welcome friends, it's day 7, the last day of week 1. Congratulations if you made it thus far. So today it's the last time we're going to be counting every inhalation and exhalation, and today for 7 minutes. So go right ahead and find a comfortable seat of your choice, one that allows you to sit with the spine erect. And whether you're sitting cross-legged, in seiza, or even on a chair, use a cushion to elevate the hips in order to bring the knees down. And this allows you to tilt the pelvis forward to maintain that natural curve in the lower spine. Lift the sternum slightly and tuck in the chin. Bring one hand onto the belly and the other onto the chest. And start with the abdominal breathing. So the lower abdomen expands as you inhale and contracts on your exhale. Continue breathing like that. Then lower your eyes downwards, but keep them slightly open. And then before we begin, take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Inhale, count 1. Exhale, 2. Inhale, 3. Exhale, 4. Inhale, 5. Exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. Inhale, 1. Exhale, 2. Inhale, 3. Exhale, 4. Inhale, 5. Exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. Now continue counting by yourself. And if thoughts carry you away and you lose the count, simply return to 1. I'll mind the time and let you know when to end today's meditation. On your next inhale, take a deep breath in. And exhale fully. Bring your attention back into the body and relax the posture. Then when you're ready, blink your eyes open and become aware of your surroundings. Take your time before you get up. Thanks for joining me today. I hope I will see you all tomorrow. So take good care for now and have a wonderful day.